1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey, my name is Dan Keller, mortgage advisor over here at New American Funding, and I'm very excited that you are watching this video because it can only mean one thing. It means that you're just getting ready to begin the mortgage pre-approval process, and we are super excited to be the ones to help navigate you through this. So I put together this page and the mortgage concierge or mortgage planning packet that you're going to see right below this video about 3 years ago. And I realized, and I learned the hard way about 3 years ago, that I, as your mortgage advisor, do not have a second chance to set clear expectations. And that couldn't be more true than ever right now in today's lending environment. It's tougher than ever to get a mortgage. And I don't say that to scare you. I say that because I fund anywhere between 15 and 25 mortgage loans a month. And it's hard. It's a grind. And what I've done in order to do that is I've built a very high qualified team of experts that work with me to help make sure that the train stays on track at all times, but more so that you're getting the level of service that you need so that we can really cater to you during this experience. One of the things that I realized early on in my career is that a mortgage is one of the largest financial decisions that any person will ever make in their life. And I think that's a big responsibility for us. And so what I hope you see with this page, with this mortgage planning guide, and with the experience with the Dan Keller team, that you see how serious we take this process. So the very first step is for you to complete my secure online application. That's step one right below this video. And what that is it's essentially just a client intake form. We're going to gather all, and I have you fill this out for one reason and one reason only. You enter the information so that we get the correct spelling of your name, the correct social security number, your address, phone number, all of that good information. So you're going to complete the secure online application, step one. Step two is my mortgage planning guide. The mortgage planning guide, again, is a packet that I created about 2.5, 3 years ago. And it was designed to, I come from the college and professional sports arena, so I use the word playbook. It's your playbook for success in regards to just enhancing the client experience for purchasing a home while attaining a mortgage. And so what you're going to find out right off the bat is I put together kind of a timeline for what it takes to attain a mortgage. And I use a 30-day window in explaining that. Pay close attention to that calendar. The second thing that I do is I introduce my team. I've got in my opinion, the best, most talented group of individuals in their specific roles that I could find in the marketplace. I've got Jason Hoskins, who you're going to spend a lot of time talking with. He's going to be reaching out to you next as my production partner. I've got Bree Seidner, who's a 15-year veteran loan processor, as my production partner. I've got Katie, who's my director of client concierge, who will be scheduling that appointment for you, the in-office appointment for you to come in, and she'll be keeping you updated throughout the transaction as well. And then I've got another Katie, who is my processor. Once you have your offer accepted on a home, she will be managing your file from contract to closing. And so I introduced my team. And then I put together some additional information on the items that you're going to need to gather from us and why. I put together tips for a smooth home loan approval. Pay close attention to that form. And then what I've done in the last year, because it is more difficult than ever to attain a mortgage, I put together a Forbes article. And that was written by Forbes magazine from a father explaining to a son why it's difficult to attain a mortgage and why it should be difficult to do that. And then I've given you kind of a couple of ideas of how I present loan options and the mortgage itself to my clients. You know, every single day I'm online and I'm looking, researching the mortgage industry, whether it be a new guideline that came out, whether it be a new loan program that came out. And the one thing that I can find is that there's a reason why I'm here at New American Funding. We're extremely competitive from a rate fee standpoint in the marketplace. And I'm always checking our rates against some of the local competitors and banks and credit unions. But what I can guarantee you is that from a service level and an advice standpoint, we're second to none. So I want you to kind of look at how I compare loan options and allow you to evaluate those options up front, leading up to our mortgage planning meeting where we dot the I's and cross the T's as we customize your mortgage to your short-term and your long-term financial goals. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Really look forward to the opportunity to serve you. I'm looking forward to being your mortgage lender. And this is an exciting time, and we are looking forward to rolling out the red carpet and taking all the anxiety, the excess anxiety out of this experience for you, okay? We'll talk to you soon. Take care.